Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we will explore D-Wave Quantum in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a complimentary price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 4th of April, 2025, our system has ranked D-Wave Quantum as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.95. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our predictions, achieving a gain of 4.1%. This equates to an average return of 2.05% each day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the lower range of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically represents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $5.59 be breached, it will initially signal a deceleration in the rate of increase and may also serve as an early alert for a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend indicates an anticipated change of approximately 31.86% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 11.65% to 137.73%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 178.42%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 72.88% and 390.49% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $11.41 and $32.37. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for D-Wave Quantum Inc. Stock Price on Monday, moving between $5.77 and $6.94. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock price gained 4.1% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, rising from $6.34 to $6.60. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 20.28%, with a day low at $5.77 and a day high of $6.94. The price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 24.31% during this period. Volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $271,670,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $11.95, and the lowest was 75 cents. Currently, the price is 44.77% or $5.35, below the 52-week high, and 50.11% or $6.63, below the all-time high reached on the 10th of August, 2022, when the price peaked at $13.23. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has made notable strides in the quantum computing sector, surging 38% in March 2025 alone. This substantial rise reflects investor enthusiasm surrounding D-Wave's groundbreaking achievements, including a claimed quantum supremacy milestone and significant updates in quantum blockchain technology. Such advancements suggest a strong growth trajectory, bolstering the case for QBTS as a compelling investment. Multiple promising partnerships highlight D-Wave's expanding influence. A collaborative proof-of-concept project with Japan Tobacco demonstrated the superior performance of quantum technology in drug discovery, while Ford Otosan has deployed a hybrid quantum application to enhance vehicle manufacturing processes. These applications not only validate D-Wave's capabilities, but also could enhance revenue streams. Analysts show optimism regarding QBTS, with a consensus target indicating a potential upside near 26.4%. continuous revisions to earnings estimates, coupled with a tangible increase in customer growth, create a favorable environment for stock price appreciation in both the short and long term. As the quantum computing landscape evolves, D-Wave's focused initiatives on commercialization and optimization could significantly drive its market presence, positioning QBTS for potential future gains amidst the rising interest in quantum technology solutions. Investors should keep a close watch on D-Wave as these developments unfold, as they are likely to impact stock performance positively. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to D-Wave Quantum stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. However, there are also some negative signals that could impact short-term developments. The stock of D-Wave Quantum Inc. currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $7.15 and $7.12. A breakout above either of these points would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 17th of March, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by approximately 40.97%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 37 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 106 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 110 days ago. If you would like to discover more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.10 and $5.81. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this instance, D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support just below today's level at $6.10. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.81 and $5.79. This stock can experience significant movement during the day, exhibiting high volatility and due to a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. It is considered to carry a very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.17 between its high and low, representing a change of 20.28%. Throughout the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 12.12%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and heightened bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of the year, 2025, is anticipated on the 12th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 5 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $6.91. D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $6.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 6th of March, 2025, Nguyen Diane conducted an insider purchase of 101,721 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. made an insider purchase of 430,360 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of February, 2025, Nguyen Diane executed an insider sale of 2,791 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 23rd of January, 2025, Markovich John M. conducted an insider sale of 5,582 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Baratz Allen E. executed an insider sale of 8,372 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 30.328. Overall, insiders purchased 48,006,651 shares and sold 94,980,996 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a wise investment? D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that D-Wave Quantum Inc. will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, our assessment of this stock is unfavorable. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is inflated. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open lower by 163/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $6.44. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and are held responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.